Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by turning on Mac OS dictation so you can speak immediately. Open System Settings, go to Keyboard, then Dictation, enable it and pick a shortcut like FN. Once done, choose your preferred language and microphone, internal for quick notes, external for clearer audio. Make sure to allow offline or enhanced dictation if available to reduce latency. You're now ready for the first activation. Press the shortcut and speak one short sentence to confirm the mic input is being recognized. Once the mic cue appears, press the shortcut and speak naturally but slightly slower than normal. You should say punctuation like comma and period to structure text. Say new paragraph when you need a break. Make sure to dictate commands for capitalization, like quote and end quote, only when necessary. Pause between sentences to let the system catch up, then glance down and correct obvious errors with the keyboard. This keeps you moving fast while maintaining accuracy and reduces the need for long redictation. When you finish, stop dictation with the same shortcut and proofread the text. Save or export your document. If words are missing, make sure input volume is adequate in sound settings and reduce background noise. Once done, change the shortcut or language to suit future sessions. If dictation still fails, restart dictation in System Settings, toggle permissions for the microphone, or reboot your Macbook Air. These steps resolve most glitches and restore reliable speech-to-text quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.